Are my nipples out?
Absolutely they are.
Good. Do they look strong?
Yes.
Thanks, man.
Let's play Guess That Engine with Fusion Auto Sales.
That's 6.7 Power Stroke. Oh, it's quiet. That's a Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, Tahoe Yukon. But it's a 5.3. I don't know, it doesn't sound very lovely. Can you rev it up? Chevy Equinox. That kind of sounds like he probably has free candy in the back and definitely does not have side windows on it. It's a Parker Mobile.